In this video, we are going to discuss the statistical independence of two joint random variables. So, what is statistical independence? Uh, you have already learned what does independence means. Independence means that the occurrence of one variable does not affect the chances or probability of the occurrence of other variable. Then the two variables are called independent variables. अगर आपका एक वेरिएबल जो है वो दूसरे वेरिएबल की अकरेंस के चांसेस पर कोई इफेक्ट ना रखता हो तो हम कहते हैं कि वो दो वेरिएबल्स इंडिपेंडेंट हैं. अब अगर आपके पास जॉइंट प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन गिवन है तो given that just that joint probability distribution, how can you check if the two variables are independent or not? So we have a procedure for that. How? Let's read. Let x and y are two random variables discrete or continuous with joint probability distribution f of xy and marginal distributions g of x and h of y respectively. So we have joint distribution f of xy and marginals are g of x and h of y. The random variables x and y are said to be statistically independent if and only if f of xy is equals to g of x into h of y. So this is the method to check independence. If this condition holds for each pair for all xy within their range, for all pairs of xy, so we say that the two variables are independent. But the thing to notice is that if a single pair does not follow this rule, we say that the distribution is not independent. So all the values, all the xy pairs in their range should follow this property that f of xy, their joint distribution, is equals to the product of their marginal distributions. If this is true, we say that x and y are independent for all the pairs of x and y. Not a single pair should every single pair should follow this property. If a single pair violate this, we say the variables are not independent. So let's check this with try this with an example. So let's discuss the statistical independence using this example that we have discussed previously in our marginal distributions. Let's check if the two variables x and y are independent or not. What was the condition for independence? It was f of xy should be equals to g of x into h of y. Here we have f of xy and g of x and h of y. So let's check for all the pairs. What are we going to do? We are going to check statistical independence. And the thing to remember is we have to check this condition for all the xy pairs. So let's do it. So first pair is x2 and y1. So f2 1. So it should be equals to g of 2 into h of 1. So let's substitute the values. It's 0.10 and g of t is 0.4 and h of 1 is 0.25. So let's check if they are equal or not. Let's multiply 0.4 multiplied by 0.25. So it's 0.10. So first pair satisfies the condition of independence. So let's check for second pair, f of 2 3. It should be equal to g of 2 h of 3 and it is 0.20 here and here we have 0.40 into 0.50. Let's multiply then 0.4 into 0.5. So this also satisfies the conditions for independence. So let's take the next pair, f of 2 3. It should be g of 2 h of 3 and it is 0.10 equals to its g of 2 is 0.4 into 0.25. So we have already multiplied this. This also satisfied the rule of condition for independence. Next, let's take the values for x equals to 4 1 g of 4 h of 1. So was g of 4 is 0.60 and h of 1 is 0.25. 0.25. So let's multiply it. 0.6 into 0.25, it's 0.15. So this also follows the rule of independence. Now f of 4, 3, it should be g of 4, h of 3. It's 0.30, 0.60 multiplied by 0.50. So 0.6 into 0.5, 0.3. Similarly, the last pairs, f of 4, 5, it should be g of 4 cross h of 5. So what is f of 4, 5? It's 0.15, g of 4 is 0.6, and it's 0.25. You have already multiplied it, so this also follows the rule of independence. So we can see that the rule is true for all the pairs, for all the xy pairs. So we can say that hence x and y are two independent variables. So this is how we check the independence. अगर इनमें से कोई एक भी, कोई सिंगल पेयर भी ऐसा आ जाता जहाँ पर ये रूल फॉलो नहीं होता, हम वहीं पर ही ड्रॉप कर देते और वहाँ हम आगे मज़ीद पेयर्स को चेक ही नहीं करते और हम वहीं पर कह देते हैं कि टू वेरिएबल्स आर नॉट इंडिपेंडेंट. सो दिस इज़ हाउ गर्ल्स यू कैन चेक इंडिपेंडेंस. ये हमारे लिए बाईवेरिएट के लिए किया था. सिमिलरली मल्टीवेरिएट के लिए भी हम ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. अगर आपके पास x1 अप टू xn एन रैंडम वेरिएबल्स हैं, डिस्क्रीट और कॉन्टिन्यूस विद जॉइंट प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन f of x1 अप टू xn एंड मार्जिनल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस f of x1 x2 अप टू xn respectively, then if their joint distribution is equal to the product of their marginal for all the pairs, so we can say, so then we say that the variables are statistically independent. And same condition, if any of the pair does not follow this rule, we say that the variables are not independent. Thank you girls.